In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a Gantt chart in Wrike. If you're unfamiliar with Gantt charts, they are a fantastic tool for project planning and visualization. They allow you to see the timeline of your project, the tasks involved, and their respective deadlines, all in one clear visual format. So let's dive in and get started. First things first, you'll want to log into your Wrike account. Once you're logged in, you'll be greeted by your workspace. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with this space, as it is where you'll manage most of your tasks and projects. Now, over on the left panel, you'll see a list of your current projects and folders. Here, you'll want to click on the project or folder that you wish to visualize using the Gantt chart. This is an important step because the Gantt chart view will only show tasks and timelines for the specific project or folder you select. Once you've selected your project or folder, it's time to switch to the Gantt chart view. If you're not already in it, find the drop-down menu at the top where your view options are listed. You'll want to select the option that reads Gantt chart from this list. By doing so, you switch your current view to the Gantt chart view, providing a more interconnected, timeline-oriented display of your project tasks. This can help immensely with understanding how tasks relate to each other over the progression of the project timeline. After you've switched to the Gantt chart view, look for the Create button on your interface and click on it. This button allows you to start inputting tasks into your chart if you haven't done so already. Adding tasks is quite intuitive. Simply enter the task name, assign it to team members if necessary, and specify start and end dates. You will begin to see them appear on the timeline, giving you a real-time view of how your projects unfold. As you continue to manage your project, remember that the Gantt chart is dynamic. It updates as you add, edit, and complete tasks, so you always have a current view of your project's progress. If you need to adjust a task's timing, simply drag and drop it to the appropriate spot on your timeline. Using the Gantt chart feature in Wrike can dramatically improve your understanding and management of project timelines. It makes identifying potential bottlenecks or delays easier, so you can address them proactively. And that wraps up our guide on creating Gantt charts in Wrike. By following these straightforward steps, you can stay on top of your projects and lead your team towards successful, on-time project completions. Thank you for tuning in, and happy project planning.